channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing. What are we thinking about the new intro? Let me know in the comments. What are your thoughts? I really liked it. I hope you guys enjoy it because you're gonna be seeing it for a couple of months. So I have the new powder from Lunar Beauty and it's called Lunarversal Setting Powder. I'm gonna be trying it on with you guys. I'm super excited. So let's get this video started. Of course, I wanna show you this up close and personal. So while I do that, I will leave on the screen the benefits of this powder because it has a lot of claims and I hope they're true, you guys, because if it is, it's going to be an amazing powder. It has all these great claims. For example, the soft matte finish, the blurring effect, the smoothness that's gonna give your skin. And when I saw Manny put this on his skin, I was like, whoa. This is real skin. This is what I'm talking about. This is what we need to see because a lot of brands, what they do is they start using filters and we can't really see what's real skin. You know what I mean? So what are we thinking on the packaging? Because the packaging to me is so cute, you guys. I love it. It does remind me of the Laura Mercier powder. Now, the only difference that I see is the top. This is a customized top. And honestly, you guys, I think this is so cute. I like it. If I was to have a brand and it was compared to Laura Mercier, I would be very excited because Laura Mercier is like up here. So I cannot wait to put this on. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to apply it to half of my face. And then after I'm done applying it, I'll tell you what I think about it so far. I am going to come close so you can see my face. So I do have texture, as you can see. A lot of people think that I don't have texture and all these things, but I do, you guys. I'm a normal human being. We have some kind of texture on our skin. So that's why I'm coming close. I don't even have anything under my eyes. I only have my liquids and cream products and that's it. So I will be applying this to this side and then we'll see what it looks like and I'll give you guys my thoughts. But I'm super excited, so let me put this on. Powder, you guys, is so soft. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on my skin, and that is huge for me. I hate being able to feel my products on my skin. Some products do that. You know what I'm talking about if you wear makeup. Also, I can tell a humongous difference right here, okay? So I have, my pores are not extremely big, but I can see them. I have a little bit of texture like I told you guys, and my skin looks really good, you guys. It looks really good. Like the difference from here to here, I like it a lot, you guys. I really like it. It's very soft. It is blurring. It's weightless. I can't even feel it. And I feel like I didn't put a lot on because you guys know that I don't like a lot of powder. I even feel like I'm going to like it with one of these, just like dust it all over my skin. But so far, you guys, it's really good. Now, if you're asking yourself why I didn't put it under my eyes, if you've been watching me for a while, you know I'm very extra when it comes to my under eyes. I just don't like to use anything. And I already have powders that I've been liking, so I don't want to start mixing stuff. But for all over my face, it's pretty good. So I'm going to finish my under eyes, put some mascara, and like add the final touches. And then I'll come back and give you my actual like final thought on this powder. Okay, since I have my face completed, now I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts. While I do that, I'm going to insert clips of natural lighting and like this kind of lighting and dimmed it down. You'll see right now. But let's talk about the packaging. I think the packaging is super pretty. You know what I like about the packaging the most? There's two things. First is that it comes with one of these because if you buy makeup, you know that they don't do this anymore. You have to buy this and this separately. So the fact that it fits here and you can take it with you if you travel, that's amazing. But my favorite feature out of the whole packaging is this little door, this little, we'll call it door, because it's not gonna make your powder go all over the place. It's gonna keep it safe in here because you know when you travel and sometimes some things just open out of nowhere. This is a good contraption, whatever. I like this feature a lot. So there you go. If you like to travel a lot and you want something that's not gonna spill, this is amazing, you guys. Also, let's talk about the actual powder now. So the powder is very finely milled. It's so soft, you guys. I'm like blown away at how soft it is. Does it give you the blurring effect? Yes, it does. Does it give you that smoothness that we all look for? Heck yes, you guys. Like, I have been wearing the powder for about an hour already because I was filming, I got a little hungry, I came back. It took about an hour. But I'm like looking at myself because I have my mirror right here and I really like what I'm seeing. So what I like from a powder is for my face to look like my face but better. I don't like to use a lot of powders because I would rather use liquids and creams and like a little bit of powder. But as you saw, I didn't use a lot, but I didn't use a little. I feel like I used a little in between so you guys can see. I'm still noticing that I'm still having that blurring effect. I don't feel it on my skin whatsoever, you guys. That's something that I really like. I don't like to feel my makeup on my skin or on my face because I get grossed out. Like, I don't like my face to feel heavy. And if you wear makeup, you know what I mean. Sometimes we go a little overboard and our face feels kind of gross. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on, you guys. And I really like that. I also like the fact that they have, or he has, more colors. So if you're looking for other shades, I think there's like 3 or 4. If I'm wrong, I'll leave it on the screen. I don't remember how many there are. It's very inexpensive. I didn't think it was expensive at all, so that's really cool. You're getting a lot. I really hope that he makes minis because I would love a little mini to travel with, but this is perfect, you guys. Like, you're getting a lot of products, so you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. So overall, I give this powder a 9 out of 10, and I'm giving it a 9 because I haven't used it enough to give it a 10. But as of now, everything seems really good. My skin is looking like skin but blurred, and I love that effect. So I love it. It has everything that I want. It literally has everything that I want, you guys. And my skin feels so soft. It's ridiculous. I don't like to touch my face a lot. I'm not a face toucher. I don't like to do that. But now, it's like my face feels so soft. It's ridiculous, you guys. I really like it. I hope that you enjoyed the different lighting. I want to include that more in my videos because I really want you guys to get the full effect. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. We're almost at the 1K. Thank you, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you that has been watching me since day one. We're almost there. I have a lot of videos coming up. I always say that and then go away. But I'm back, you guys. I'm really sorry. I had a lot going on. Maybe one day you'll know, maybe not. I don't know. We shall see. But thank you for everything. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and IG. I post very frequently there. I will be going live more on my TikTok. So go follow me over there. Also, if you want me to do any type of video, in the comments, let me know what you want to see. I am always down to do videos that you guys want to see. So that is all for today. Thank you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.